all I've ever been interested in is construction. I feel like I was born with sawdust in my blood. I wake up every morning, still to this day, excited and stoked to go to work. I don't know how many people can say that. I'm Wade Paquin, and my company is WKP Construction. We are a custom home builder in Newport, Rhode Island. It's a beautiful area, the coastline, there's so much to offer. Beautiful architecture, scenic ocean drive. A lot of our clients and myself spend a bulk of the summer, the warmer months on the water. I love the smell of the ocean and that saltiness of being out in the water all day. Sometimes early in the morning we'll go out, bring coffee and some breakfast sandwiches or something, and then come back in, shower and go to work. Those are kind of those favorite moments of the summer, to be out there, with my wife, and it's great. Newport is the sailing capital of the world. A lot of our clients are yachtsmen. They have had their boat here maybe, and now they realize, hey, maybe this could be a place to live in the summer. We've had clients that love the house so much that they made this their primary residence. I got into this industry growing up, and my dad himself is an incredible craftsman. He had a big barn with a full-blown shop, so he would make furniture, and I was always wowed by his ability as a carpenter and craftsman. When I was in my teenage years and through college, I would work for other builders on the summers in college with my dad for basically framing crews. It is very challenging and therefore attractive to me because I love a good challenge. Just in the last couple of years, the industry has, I believe, taken some major leaps forward. Everybody elevating their game, paying more attention to detail, execution, building science, and the building science goes hand in hand with innovative products. We've been using AdvanTech for well over a decade and a half. The innovation behind AdvanTech, having the access to the team, and that team is passionate about the product that they're putting out there. It's infectious. For years, the construction industry has had a bad rap. There's so much work to be done, don't get me wrong, but it's a step in the right direction to kind of rewrite the story of builders and contractors. When I finish a project and I stand and look back at it, I get goosebumps sometimes. The problem solving, the satisfaction, the hands-on aspect of it with that reward at the end is incredibly addicting to me. In my career, I think my story is just getting started. I feel more inspired and motivated now than I ever have. Where is that going to take us? I have no idea, and I love it.